Hello and welcome to your carved leaf punch needle rug kit. In this 8 videos, I think it's about 8, you're going to learn how to make this little mini rug and how to carve it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. A couple quick notes. We're using Cruci pencil roving, which is really gorgeous, punched and carved. It's a little bit different than your regular like knitting yarn because it's thicker and it's also not plied. Um, yeah, there's a couple options with this kit. Obviously, you could just get it with a carpet tack frame and scissors, which will take a little bit longer and be a little bit more challenging. But if you were able to opt for the heavy duty rug carver and gripper frame, then you will find that it will go a little bit faster. But it's achievable with both sets, which is why I sell it that way. I want everybody to have equal opportunity to make these gorgeous things. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions as you're going through or at the end, feel free to email me at hello@allthingseffie.com. That's on my website as well. Yeah, and here we go. I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to thread your ergonomic Lavore chunky punch needle. You're just going to take the threader, you're going to put it through the eyelet, down the shaft of the needle. You're going to loop your yarn through the loop and pull. And there you go. Your punch needle is threaded. Okay, so the first part of this project is to punch the branch part of the leaf, and I am on the second highest setting on the Lavore needle, and I'm just going to make my way around the branch, and then I'm going to fill it in with 3 lines of punching to just make it really full so that I can then carve the other side. So I'm going to do this a bit in slow-mo first, and then we'll speed it up. The reason you can hear my punch needle sort of hitting the table surface is because I'm using actually a frame that isn't 6 centimeters deep. So the frames that you'll get with this kit will be 6 centimeters deep, so you won't have it hitting the table. You'll have lots of space to punch. You can also sort of tilt it at an angle, the frame, if it is hitting the table surface. It's just in order for me to show you guys properly, I needed it nice and flat. If you're new to punch needling, I can do a really quick explanation of what I'm doing. Basically, you want to push the needle all the way through the fabric until it hits the surface of the fabric. Then you want to lift up just to the surface of the fabric. You want to drag the punch needle across the surface and plunge it back in again. So you just repeat this process over and over. It's really important not to lift your punch needle above the fabric, otherwise your loops will come out from the other side. So as you're finishing off, you can use your curved embroidery scissors to just snip off the loose ends. And once you're done, you can flip it over and you'll see that you're ready to move to the next step, which is to carve the stem of the leaf. So here I am just filling in the last little bit.